guys, this is Parati. Welcome back to my channel, The Styling Stories. How are you all guys? I hope you have enjoyed watching my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, then do watch it after watching this video. I'm gonna link it in the description box. And I'm back with another episode of The Styling Stories. Here in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can wear your accessories and how you can style it with different outfits. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Starting with my favorite fusion look. Wearing a solid white top with basic blue denim, which is a classic look. And इसके ऊपर सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है. So starting with this one, usually what people think with oxidized jewelry is that they cannot wear it with western wear. But if you're gonna wear it in a right way, it will definitely look good. Like here I'm wearing this silver jewelry and मैंने स्लीक पोनी बना ली एंड दैट्स इट. आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग एनीथिंग कान में, क्योंकि उसके बाद आप अगर कान में भी वो जूड़ी डालो, झुमके डालो, इट विल स्पॉइल द वाइब ऑफ द लुक. इसको मैं एक क्लासिक 90s वाइब देना चाह रही हूँ विद हेयर स्टाइल लाइक दिस एंड कैरिंग दिस बैग विच ऑल्सो हैज़ दिस 90s वाइब बिकॉज ये आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है. एंड दैट्स इट. एड योर हील्स टू कम्प्लीट द लुक. आप देखो कि ये इस पे ये ज्वेलरी इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ स्टेटमेंट पीस एंड इसके साथ आपको किसी और ज्वेलरी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर आप कभी ऐसा लुक ट्राई कर रहे हो देन मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट वेयर वेरी बिग इयररिंग्स. ओनली द केस इफ़ यू लव वेयरिंग इयररिंग्स अ लॉट एंड यू जस्ट कांट डू विदाउट इट, देन वेयर एकदम छोटी सी सटल इयररिंग्स विच looks minimal and it doesn't spoil the vibe of the look. Then you can go for it. So the next up is chunky chain. Did you all know guys that chunky chain is a multi-purpose chain and these chains are super trending these days and look super cool, which is why I'm here to tell you that you can style it in different ways. Like for example the first one, the mask chains are also trending. आजकल काफ़ी ज़्यादा चल रहा है and also look super smart. तो आप इसमें क्या कर सकते हो, you don't really have to go and buy that specific mask chain. आप इसको खुद ही घर पे बना सकते हो using this chain. आप इस चेन का जो लॉक होता है आप इसको साइड पे मास्क के लगा दो एंड डू द सेम ऑन बोथ द साइड्स एंड वेयर इट. आप चेन पीछे के साइड कर लो एंड दैट्स इट. यू डोंट रियली नीड टू बाय अ डिफरेंट स्पेसिफिक चेन मास्क एंड आपका काम इसी से हो जाएगा एंड इट इज़ लुकिंग रियली गुड. द सेकेंड वन, यू कैन डू द सेम विद योर सन ग्लासेस में भी आपने देखा होगा दैट पीपल आर वेयरिंग दीज चेन वाले सन ग्लासेस, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपके लुक को एलिवेट कर देता है. इट गिव्स यू एनर्जी वाइब टू. सो अगर आपको ऐसा कोई लुक चाहिए देन यू कैन डू इट योरसेल्फ एट योर होम. थर्ड वन इज़ माय फेवरेट गाइज. आजकल ऐसी वेस्ट बेल्ट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा चल रही है. I've seen a lot of influencers also wearing it. Sejal Kumar has also worn this and I really love the idea of wearing the chained belt जो आजकल काफ़ी चल रही है. So I don't really have a waist belt, a proper waist belt, but what I do is I use my neck piece, I use my chunky chains जो मैं यहाँ गले में पहनती हूँ उसको ही मैं अपनी जीन्स में लगा लेती हूँ and it looks really good. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं लगता कि this is not a belt or something. It totally adds up to the look. A quick hack to wear this chunky chain jewelry as your waist belt is just take one side of your chain, जिस side lock नहीं है that side of your chain and just button it up and the other side has a lock so you can just tuck it here and that's it. Ta-da! You look super cool. That's it. You don't need to add any other accessory because फिर जो आप look देना चाह रहे हो, because these kind of pieces are statement pieces, आप बस एक डालो and your whole look is elevated immediately. So you don't need to add any other accessory. आप वरना वो बहुत ज़्यादा over हो जाएगा and it also doesn't look good. So yeah. The fourth one is using these chains as your bracelet. It also gives you a super bossy vibe and looks totally good. So these were the different ways you use your chunky chain. Next up is accessorizing your white shirt for a formal event. Always make sure that you fold your shirt in this way like I've done here with a blazer and with an outfit like this. A statement earring is the perfect fit. You don't need to add any other accessory other than the watch. A watch is a must if you're going for a formal event because wearing a watch tells a lot about your personality. Like, are you a person who values time and are you an organized person, likes to keep everything well maintained and managed, so it leaves a really good impression on the other person. So always wear a watch. The other way you can accessorize this look is by wearing a statement neck piece. Pearls are always the perfect fit for formal events, looks classy and smart. You don't really need to add any other earrings or anything, just a watch and that's it for the look. Next up is a super chic look. I know we all love to layer a lot of jewelry since it's also trending, but with an outfit like this, I wouldn't recommend you to add so many layers. Just a simple chain and add a statement earrings to amp up the whole look. Add a 90s style bag to keep up the chic vibe. Always make sure if you're wearing these gold tinted jewelries, then keep in mind to keep every other accessory in the same tone. And the last one, guys, is an everyday casual look. If you have an outfit just like what I'm wearing here, then add your hoops and add your scarf. You are ready to go. कुछ भी समझना है then add your hoops because that is perfect way to complete the look. आपको इसके साथ ज़्यादा और कुछ नहीं करने की ज़रूरत है. So I would definitely recommend you to have hoops in your jewelry collection. It's a must have. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you in some way or the other. Don't forget to like, comment down your favorite jewelry, your favorite look from this video. Share this video with your friends and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell icon to get all the updates regarding my new videos. I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye, guys.